The Aorus K9 Optical is one of the hottest mechanical keyboards on the market right now. The keyboard itself will set you back around 10,000 rupees, has multiple features, putting it a cut above the rest. So let's check them out. Let's start with what the keyboard has to offer with Latex's new red opto-mechanical switches, which are shatterproof, splashproof, so rest easy on the durability front. Travel and activation distance is second to none, with travel distance being 4 mm and activation distance being 2 mm. Having a debound speed of 0.03 milliseconds compared to traditional switches which have a debound speed of 0.20. It has a registered keystroke warranty of 100 million keystrokes, which is double of the highly rated Cherry MX switches. Since we're talking about other switches, here's a sound comparison between Cherry MX Red, Blue and Red opto-mechanical switches. The build quality of the keyboard as a whole is excellent. If by chance the texture of the keys wear off, you can replace them with the 9 extra keycaps that are included in the packaging. A keycap remover is also available. Best of all, it has RGB fusion, which is supported by other Aorus hardware. The RGB can be controlled via the Aorus engine or the keyboard itself. It has some pretty cool preset effects.